Hello, my name is Dr. Eric Nager and I'm the Director of Wellness here at Belcara Health. Fatigue. How many of us are tired these days? It seems like life is more stressful than ever and we just don't have enough energy to get through the day. Many of us are drinking coffee or taking other things to keep us awake all day long just so that we can get through the routine day-to-day of life. Is this normal? Not necessarily. Many times fatigue is linked to medical illnesses that have a root cause that we can discover here at Belcara Health. Everything from adrenal disorders to thyroid health, problems with your weight, or hormone levels can all affect what your energy level is like and how fatigued you're feeling on a regular basis. If you come in, we can do a very detailed assessment on you, do very in-depth diagnostic assessments, and then come up with a personalized plan to help you solve the problem of fatigue and make you feel much healthier in the process.